Hey guys, welcome to this episode of This Old Grill. Today we're going to be doing chicken stir fry. First, I got my griddle heating up on my Pit Boss, and I'm going to slice up some peppers, green peppers, red peppers. Actually, do an onion as well. I just didn't get that one on tape. Then we're going to take this, I'm going to put some butter down, get our chicken on the griddle, season it with some salt and pepper, put our veggies on, also put some more butter. Get the onions on there, cook it all up, remove the chicken, put it in some foil to let it sit. Finish the veggies, put just a little bit more chicken on, and then mixed everything together. Then we went inside, boiled some water for our rice. Once it started boiling, we added our rice, set it aside, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then we took our rice, put it in a bowl, added our chicken, put a little bit of General Soy sauce from Trader Joe's, and it was delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.